Hey guys.
2021 Honda Accord. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. That way she doesn't have to carry an extra remote control around in the keychain. That's what she wanted. This job was done here in Fort Lauderdale. We're in Miami, but we have mobile service all the way up to Fort Lauderdale, sometimes Pompano and Homestead. Yeah, basically what it does is the shock sensor incorporates to the factory alarm system. So if somebody busts out try to bust out the lug nut locks or leave the car in full brakes or break any window in the vehicle, the alarm will fire off versus not going off if we don't do this upgrade. First, I'm going to go ahead and show you the tires. Okay. I'm going to rearm it again. When you rearm it, factory alarms have a delay. So when you arm the alarm, you got to wait about, you don't have to wait. You can just close the door and walk away and go inside the house, but it takes about 30 seconds for the factory alarm to engage. That delay is not ours. That's just the way it is from factory. I'll go ahead and bang on this side so you can see that the shock works evenly in both sides. Go ahead and arm it again. We'll give it a few seconds. We'll go ahead and do the windows. Yeah, they went ahead and she had another 2020. They went ahead and busted the keyhole, got in, drove away, and she found her car all mangled up. You know, normally what we see is, you know, rims and tires and airbags, but in this situation, they took the whole front end out. So yeah, that was pretty something not common. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. The little cover slid up, so I was pressing like the wrong button. For those who have questions, it does the remote control, the remote stop working, or it doesn't. I'm gonna go ahead and remote start the car. Started right up. Okay. Started running. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the remote start. Alright, this shock sensor add-on, it's installed. It was installed here in Fort Lauderdale by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.